What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this Cubot Note 50 and I've been using this one for the past couple of weeks. Yeah, I have used this one as my primary device and I am super satisfied with the performance. Within its price segment, I think this one is the best among all the devices. This one really offers a very good value for money. What has made me so happy and satisfied about this device is its camera performance and gaming performance. I've never expected this type of performance from a budget device. Also, I've managed to squeeze a very long screen on time, almost half a day. Yeah, it's more than 12 hours of screen on time. So this one offers a very good battery life. Okay, as usual, we'll start from unboxing and we'll go through the review process. But before that, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. This is Note 50 from Cubot. This one comes in a Cubot's usual packaging. Nice, posh, elegant, yet pretty subtle. Well, at the back of the box they have actually printed all the specifications. 6.56-inch HD Plus display panel, 50 megapixel rear camera, 8 megapixel selfie sensor. Well, this Cubot Note 50 comes with Uni-SoC Tiger T606, which is a very capable budget SoC. This one comes with a 5200 mAh battery and I'm really happy to see that this one comes with a Type-C port. But most importantly, this one is powered by Android 13. After opening the top lid, the first thing you'd get is the phone. The phone was actually sitting over here. Cubot always offers a thank you card in many different languages. The phone comes with its own protective case, a TPU silicon protective case. I really like this. There is a very nice SIM ejector tool. Well, underneath that there are some paperwork. What has made me so happy is they have even provided an extra screen protector. But if you want, then definitely you can use this glass screen protector. Well, inside the box you will also get a 10-watt charger and a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Well, this is our Cubot Note 50 and I think this design is very attractive. I like the rear camera bump and these separate protruding different lenses. This actually looks a bit unique. Altogether, this design is very elegant and posh. I really like that the build quality and the finishing is so smooth. So in hand, this one feels like a premium product. Cubot has manufactured this with care. Among all the budget devices, I think this one comes with the best outlook and appearance. On the right side, there is an independent power button. I have used the word independent because the fingerprint sensor is actually located underneath the power button. It's not integrated or mounted into the power button. So that's a very nice thing. At the bottom, there is a speaker grill, primary microphone and a USB-C port. The SIM tray is actually located on the left side and volume rockers are also on the left side. This SIM tray is a hybrid SIM tray. So we can use either two SIM cards at the same time or one SIM card along with a TF card. Yes, so we can definitely use a TF card to expand our storage and we can use up to a 512GB TF card. At the back of the phone there is a rectangular rear camera block. The rear camera block contains two camera lenses. One lens has a circular shape and another has a rectangular shape. Yeah, this design is really very unique to me and I think I like this. Well, as I have mentioned earlier, this Cubot Note 50 comes with a 6.56-inch HD Plus panel. There is a water drop notch and this is a IPS LCD panel. Trust me, even if this is a HD Plus panel, at the beginning I thought that this is a FHD Plus panel because color reproduction of this panel is so very great. This display panel comes with 720 by 1612 pixel resolution and supports 90 Hz refresh rate. For a budget device, I think this is an overkill. Anyway, under bright daylight or in a very dim environment, in many different lighting environments, I have checked this display panel and this display panel has always reproduced vivid and vibrant colors along with natural tone. Yeah, black goes very dark, it's not like grey, and white goes very bright. So altogether, considering the segment of this phone, the display panel is the main attraction of the phone. Okay, Cubot Note 50 comes with a bottom-firing single loudspeaker, but the performance is pretty different than any other bottom-firing single loudspeakers. Even at full volume, this one doesn't get distorted. This one offers crisp and clear sound. So let's check some music and you decide, how is the performance?
Yeah, she might be pretty, but I promise it gets scary. Once she wants your daddy and she finds out where you live. Creeping in the shadows, eating poisoned apples. She's nothing like you ever.
Well, I think most of the people have been waiting for this segment because most of the people wanna know about can we actually play games on this Cubot Note 50. Cubot Note 50 comes with a UniSoC T6068 8-core processor. Yeah, this is an octa-core processor and this one has 8GB physical RAM along with 8GB of expanded RAM. So altogether we have access to 16GB of RAM. That means this one actually has enough firepower. I have been playing games on this Cubot Note 50 for the last couple of days. I have played Real Racing 3 along with some other graphics intensive games and I have never felt any throttling. I have never seen any hiccups or lags. The performance actually goes above and beyond satisfactory level. It's more than satisfactory. This one actually offers the most buttery smooth in-game experience among all the smartphones available within this price range. Another thing is UniSoC T606 is one of the coolest SoCs available on the market. This one doesn't generate enough heat to initiate thermal throttling. So even after playing games for 60 minutes or a few hours, this phone actually feels so cold beside any other devices. Kudos to Cubot because they have managed to extract the best performance without generating any heat. Yeah, I have enjoyed playing games on this one is not only because of its firepower but also because of its display panel. This display panel offers a vibrant and amazing in-game experience. So yeah, playing games on this Cubot Note 50 is truly enjoyable. Okay, you need to think about the price tag because Cubot Note 50 comes with a 50 megapixel main sensor and this one also has a 2 megapixel macro sensor accompanying the main sensor. This one actually performs way beyond its price tag. I have tried to take some photos with this Cubot Note 50 side by side with some other mid-range devices and you know what? I am truly surprised.
For you, I cried for you, I tried for you. Tell me why you left me bleeding. I died for you, I cried for you, I tried for you. Tell me why you left me bleeding.
I have already mentioned at the beginning, Cubot Note 50 comes with a 5200 mAh battery which is on a bigger side. Actually, this is a massive battery for UniSoC T606 SoC. I have managed to squeeze over 12 hours of screen on time from this Cubot Note 50 on a very busy day. So yeah, this one is one of the most energy efficient smartphones that I have ever used in this price segment. Also, as this one comes with its own charger inside the box, you don't have to buy a separate charger for this phone. Cubot always offers stock Android experience. And as this time Cubot has decided to provide the most updated edition, Android 13 out of the box, I think we are already future proof. And yeah, Cubot also offers a few years of Android update, so altogether this is a safe choice for a few years. Cubot Note 50 comes with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor and that one works very fine. It's very responsive, super fast. I also like the placement of this fingerprint sensor. If you're interested to use a face unlock option, yeah, Cubot Note 50 comes with a 2D face unlock option. Okay, after watching through this video, what do you think? Is there anything left to give a verdict? I think I've already given my verdict through the video. This one is the best budget device available on the market right now. I mean, considering the price, this one has no competitors at this moment. Well, if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Also, I have left a link of this product in the description box below. Go ahead, check the product. If you are looking for a budget device, I think you should get this one.
I try